So this is our dip and chin assist machine. This machine is going to be used if you're having trouble doing bodyweight dips or bodyweight pull-ups. We have a stack over here that goes all the way down to 175 pounds. So whatever number you put on there, this is your assist right here. This is going to be applying that pressure when you're doing the exercise. So over here, we'll go ahead and put 55 pounds. It's very simple math. You take your body weight minus how much weight you put on the stack, and that's the weight that you're going to be using for the exercise. When you're ready, you go ahead and move this, lock it into place. You'll use these step ups. If you're doing your pull-ups, get the position you want. Put your knees on the pad and do your exercise. For here, we're a pull-up all the way up and go down. Get ready for your dip, come on down. At the bottom, you're gonna feel the pressure from the pad pushing up on you, helping you come up. When you're ready to come off the machine, you can put your leg right here. Use the knee to slowly bring the assist up to the top so it doesn't slam. And you can step off.